What's up guys, welcome to this new video. So in today's video I will show you how to add a gift card to your Apple Wallet. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, I will recommend you hit that subscribe button down below, tap the notification bell to never miss any training content from us. So guys, don't forget to check the video description, for I will mention all the links I'm going to mention in this video right in the video description. So guys, I'll catch you right after the intro. Okay, so what is the Apple Wallet? The Apple Wallet is an incorporated app in your iPhone, iPod, or Apple Watch that allows you to manage payment cards, boarding passes, tickets, gift cards, and other passes. So just think of it as an app that lets you manage your finances within the iOS platform. Unfortunately, this app isn't available for iPad devices, but if you have an iPhone, iPod, or Apple Watch, you can gladly use this app right away. Usually you'll find the Apple Wallet app in the device settings, and it is very easy to set up. All you need is an Apple device, an iOS device. So guys, before we continue, you need to know that adding a gift card to the Apple Wallet is more like adding a regular or a normal debit or credit card to your iPhone device, and you just have to follow the normal process in adding a gift card, in adding a debit card to your Apple device. So if you are looking to add an Apple gift card, you just have to redeem it through the App Store in your Apple device. So if you have an Apple gift card, you just have to redeem it through the Apple Store. So to do this, you just need to open the App Store and then you sign in, then you click on redeem gift card code or redeem gift card or code, and then you enter the gift card details, and then boom, that's it. Just tap on the redeem button and everything should go smoothly. So adding a gift card to Apple Wallet is very easy, but you should keep in mind that not all gift cards are actually supported by the Apple Wallet, so you should expect some issues while adding your gift card to the Apple Wallet, especially if the gift card is not from a recognized or a popular brand. So if it is from Apple, you can just redeem it. If it is from Amazon or any other big retailer, Target, any other bigger retailer or popular retailer, the card should just work very well with this Apple Wallet. As long as you have the details, as long as you have the gift card details, everything should go smoothly. So to add a gift card to your Apple Wallet, just open the wallet app, tap on debit or credit card to add a new card, then tap on previous card or add that you've previously used, and then from there you will see something that comes up like this. The page will come like this, and on there, once on this page, you just click on debit or credit card and then you tap continue, then follow the prompts to add your new gift card. While adding the gift card, provide every detail about the gift card, including the gift card code, the gift card number, and the expiry date if it has one. So guys, that's how you add a gift card to your Apple Wallet. Remember, not all gift cards are actually accepted by Apple Wallet, so be mindful of the gift card you're looking to add to the Apple Wallet. So guys, thanks for watching. We've come to the end of the video. If you find it very helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with friends. So guys, I'll catch you on the next one.